Here's how to adjust brightness and contrast using the Nvidia app or control panel. Open the Nvidia app and click System on the left sidebar. Select Displays at the top, then scroll down to the Color section. You will find the brightness and contrast sliders there. Drag the brightness slider left or right to adjust how bright or dark your display appears. Note that adjusting brightness here also affects your gamma. Both change together since gamma controls how midtones are rendered and brightness shifts the whole range. If you want more precise control, adjust gamma separately using the gamma slider if available. Drag the contrast slider to increase or decrease the difference between your darkest and brightest areas. Higher contrast makes images punchier and more vivid. Lower contrast makes the image flatter. If you prefer typing an exact value rather than dragging, click on the current value next to each slider and type your number directly. This is useful when you want to match specific values across multiple monitors for a consistent look. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.